Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hi, it's Don here, and welcome to Home Service Agency Studio. In this video, I'll walk you through my latest web agency solution, a very smart website creation and selling system built for 2026 and beyond. Here, you have a complete agency website, already done for you and ready to install in just a few minutes. What I have here is a live portfolio section where visitors can browse website previews, just like completed projects. They can open a service, explore the homepage, and see the design live. There is no need to host a separate demo site because every preview runs on your agency website. And here is another agency style, lighter, cleaner, and more modern. Use whichever look you prefer. One great built-in tool is Instant Quote. It asks prospects focused questions, gives an estimated price range, and helps pre-qualify your traffic. You can customize the pricing and recommendations from the back end.
Now, inside the agency admin, let me show you something brilliant: the Instant Demo technology. You can prepare a list of local businesses with their name, service area, phone number, and portfolio source, then create demos in bulk. Or, for one prospect, simply paste in a Google Business Profile link and generate an instant personalized demo. The business details are filled in, I confirm the phone number and website design, click Create Demo, and the personalized record appears instantly, ready to open or manage with the rest of my demos. And here is the finished prospect demo. The plumber's business name, phone number, service area, contact details, and service-focused content are already placed throughout the site. It feels like a complete live client website, but it is still hosted inside your agency platform, so you can send one convincing link without maintaining another WordPress installation.
Now, let's see how easy it is to set up a complete customer website. This is an empty WordPress site. No real pages, no posts, no business theme, and no product plugins. I go to Plugins, choose Add Plugin, upload the single Home Service Agency Studio file, install it, and activate it. That is the only file I need to upload manually. After activation, I am redirected to the guided installation interface. I click Start Website Setup, and the system checks the approved secure files, downloads the website theme, builder, and website features, installs each component, activates the website tools, loads the available business types and designs, and opens Website Choice when everything is ready. I do not have to manage any of those steps. I simply keep this tab open while the system completes them automatically. Now I can choose the business content pack and the design. I select Plumbing Contractor, then continue to the Style library and pick the look I want to use. Each option has a large visual preview, so it is easy to match the site to the client before I click Create this website.
The system downloads the selected content, verifies the files, and adds the pages, posts, projects, testimonials, media, website features, and homepage configuration. After a short wait, Setup confirms that the site is ready. I can open the Pages list and see that the complete website structure has already been created for me. And here it is, a complete plumbing website with services, projects, testimonials, FAQs, articles, forms, and a finished footer. Back in the admin, Business Profile gives me one place to update dynamic details: logo, business name, primary and secondary phones, email, both addresses, country, city, state, postal code, service area, latitude and longitude, Google Place ID, schema type, business description, maps key, 5 social profiles, weekly hours, and the agency name, website, and footer credit. Save once, and those details update across the whole site.
The Instant Quote area lets me edit the form heading, description, buttons, result labels, and other copy, while projects stay organized above. This theme is developed by me and includes performance-friendly features without relying on heavy plugins, built-in on-page SEO, AEO and GEO support, an LLMS.txt guide, GDPR consent, an accessibility and reading preferences widget, custom code, custom CSS, and more. The built-in design settings make customization simple. I can adjust content width, fonts, weights, and brand colors with a live preview. I can customize the logo, navigation, top bar, phone label, main button, sticky header, footer description, contact details, opening hours, and background. There are guided controls for inner pages, blog home, single posts, archives and search, the 404 page, plus advanced block editing for full layout control. And during development, I can return here and switch to any other available design style. My content stays unchanged.
Here is the same plumbing website in a completely different style. The pages, posts, projects, media, and business information are still there. Only the visual design has changed. This makes it easy to explore different directions with a client without rebuilding the website. And that is Home Service Agency Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.